Hello viewers, on today's video I want to show you how to replace your liftgate strut on this 2020 GMC Yukon Denali. Alright, let's go. Step number one, you have your liftgate open to the fullest and being held by a stick or whatever you want to use to hold it in place so it doesn't fall. If you were to remove this out of the car, what you need to do is pop this C-clip, right? You use a pick like this and pop this C-clip out while you're pulling it, pull the strut out of the car, right? Same thing at the bottom. You pull the C-clip out, okay? You're using a pick or a flap screwdriver. This one completely broke off. Try to put it back. Yes, put it back together. It won't stay. I think it's still working, but it just won't stay up. It just popped out completely. It was just hanging. So what we're gonna do is remove that trim up here, right? It's held by a few push pins. We just have to pull it out so you can get access to the wiring harness. All right, let's go. Use the tool. Go. So here it is. You take it off. All right, so now here with the harness for it, harness for the new for the lift gate. Let's unplug it. Let's unplug the harness. There you go. Okay, there it is. Very good. That's a good one. So now we're gonna install it. Okay, now we're going to pick up a little bit on the lift gate so we can attach it here. Okay, and there it is. It's fully seated, right? For you to remove it, you pull the slip out and you come out. Same thing at the bottom. Okay, and we're going to put our new harness in and pull it on the other side, and you're going to push this in. Perfect. Weld the harness right here and you just plug it in. There you go, and that's it, guys. It will be the same thing on the other side, right? But the other side doesn't have it's not electronic. It's just to support the lift gate. That's all it does. But I think it has some compression gas in it to hold the lift gate up when you actuate it. The next step is now I'm gonna replace this. It will be the same thing as that one, minus the wiring harness. Okay, what you do, you pop this cover off, right? And you pull this, you pull it, you pull this out while you pull it. When you pull it out, you pull the assembly out. The same thing on top. Okay, and the next step will be to calibrate the new strut in. All right, and now you put the cover on, and we're going to put this trim piece back on up there. And that's about it, guys. You got the new one in. Put the piece back in. We're inside the vehicle. We're gonna put in accessory mode. As you guys see back there, I can't shut off the tailgate because it's not calibrated. We're gonna use Kento here to do the calibration. And I'll post the link in the comment section below for this Kento. We go to diagnostic. GM. Automatic search. Okay, system selection, and we scroll down to liftgate module. Yep, liftgate control module. Okay, we close the gate and open. There you go, open. The access open. And let's now, if we have code, the history code now. So now we're gonna clear the codes. Should be good. So what you do is actually the test, which kind of weird the way it does it, but it should tell you to reset it. But you can calibrate it go that way with the skin tool. All right, perfect, and that's it. Now we can start the truck and try to open it up with this. Yep. Let's close this. And we're good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.